My name is Dave from Big Jeepers Garage.
Hey guys, Dave here, Big Jeepers Garage, out here at Recon Brewing in Butler. I've got my friend John Pro here. He's going to come on over and tell us a little bit about this.
This is a 1941 Bantam Brc40, serial number 1728. So if you think about all the number of Jeeps that were made throughout the years, 1748 is the actual build number for it. So it's a pretty low serial number. There's only about 52, 53 of these left in the in the world. They're all gone except for a few of them. This one here belongs to the city of Butler. It's entrusted to Butler Old Stonehouse Car Club, and we maintain it and bring it around and show it to everybody. And we do let people touch it and ride in it and look at it. There's a lot of these of the cars that you can't do that to, but this type of club, we believe that people need to enjoy the vehicles, learn what they are, and see everything about them. Because if you don't know a little bit about it, you know, at least you get to see them. You know, most owners won't let anybody touch them or look at them, and well, they'll let you look at them, but that's about it. There's not too many here in this area. There's one other one that was a factory truck. It never left Butler. It was used in the production line to build all of these, so it was less than serial 75. And that one they actually had to have a special serial number made up for it. So they serial numbered it FST, Factory Service Truck 0001, because that is the only one that does exist. This one was made out of two. One was from around the California area where they had a good body, and another one I believe was out around Wisconsin where they had a good carriage, and they were donated to the city of Butler. And Lee Bordemus, the Jeep historian of the area, got the two, put the two together, had it restored, and donated it to the city of Butler. As of a couple years ago, it really wasn't out on the road. It's out on the road now. So, you know, the people of Butler get a chance to enjoy the vehicle. And that's the whole history of the Jeep thing. You see all these Jeeps and you wonder, you know, what were they like? And, you know, this is exactly the way they were. Except for, I mean, this one still is missing a few of the knickknacks on it. I'm talking like the proper hood hinges or the windshield clips.
Yeah. Now these hood hinges, that was like almost like a piano hinge, wasn't it?
No, this one was like that.
Oh, this one was like this?
Yeah, this one was like that, but the windshield clips that hold it up are actually the wrong ones.
Oh, these?
Yes.
These are like hood pins.
Those are actually the wrong ones. And like the little handles on
those were like latches, weren't they?
What?
Those were like latches?
No, they looked a lot like these ones, except they were a full circle.
Okay,
there was
I got you.
full circle in here with just a little bit of an ear. So if you took these hinges and put a full circle in them, that's about what they would look like.
Okay.
And then it's still also missing the clamps to hold the windshield down, which we're still after those. So we're still working on it.
Well, so people, if you know where those are at, get a hold of me and we'll get them to it.
But as it is, we can run it around. We bring it out to shows. We bring it out to people in the area to enjoy. And like right now, me and Dave's going to go out for a ride, and we'll take some video out on the ride with an actual one, and you'll see what it's actually like. They're a little bit noisy. They're a little bit bumpy. going down the road.
A little bit. Yeah.
That's the Jeep thing here, right?
Yes.
I mean, we all enjoy that because that's the actual feel of a Jeep.
Right.
So Dave, you want to climb in? We'll go for a ride. We'll fire it up.
All right.
It's basically like any 3-speed. I mean, the levers are on the driver's side. Yeah, you got the 4-wheel drive, high and low, you know, and the transfer case in and out. Up front here, we got Bob, who is president of HRKA.
That's awesome.
Oh wait, you have to turn it with your hand?
No.
Oh, okay. No, you actually have to?
Yes.
Oh my god! That would suck.
That's what the passenger's for. Look for a rock. Look for a rock.
Oh, you're just wrong, John. The middle of my back has a bar going through it right now.
Exactly. Yeah, I wouldn't want to hit a bump real hard with that thing.
No. I mean, I'm going to say nothing special, but they are special.
Oh, they're real special.
Thank you very much, John.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Have a nice day.
Leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a video. Have a nice day.